The 5 elements in Chinese philosophy are the fundamental components our world is made of. What are the elements? Wood, representing growth and development. Fire, representing action, dynamic movement, and visibility. Earth, representing stability, control, and nourishment. Metal, representing clarity, calmness, and precision. And water, representing intuition, creativity, and fluidity. The energies of the 5 elements interact in our surroundings. We aim our design to balance them and create the flow of energy. Feng Shui guides us how to organize and design the space, the array of the layout, the placement of furniture and materials it contains in order to synchronize and harmonize the different elements and areas of the house and to balance and harness the energy to fulfill our life potential.